What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today I'm going to talk about a really cool app. It's called Apollo TV. I've been actually following these guys for a very long time. Actually, I followed them since they even made this app, and it had its like ups and downs. But this version, which is Apollo TV 1.4.1, it's pretty decent. I like it. It's pretty decent. It still has its issues, but I'm going to show you this app. It's a totally different looking app, and the way it works as well. And I like it. The content on it is pretty good in HD, and it has a lot of stuff on it. But enough of me talking, because I know you're tired of hearing me. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you first how to get this, and then I'm going to show you how it works, because it is a little tricky how to work it. The one thing I do want to say though, guys, is this is not Fire Stick compatible. It only works on phones and Android boxes. That's it. I'm sorry, guys. That's how the developers have it set up. I actually believe they also work on iPhones as well. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is open up FileLink. If you don't have FileLink, guys, the links are down below in the description of how to get it. It's not hard at all. It's real easy to get into. But once you guys get FileLink, or you guys already have FileLink, you're going to open up your FileLink, okay? Then you're going to enter my channel's, let me load this up here. Back that up. Then you're going to enter in my channel's code, which is 645-39676. Now, once you enter this in, this is going to open you up to my channel store, where it has over 160, maybe 170 apps so far. Okay, and once you hit continue, you're going to dismiss that. That's just a welcome screen, guys. You can read that if you want. And right here, it's on the top, okay? From this point, you're going to hit that download button. Click that download button. Let it download. And once it downloads, that download button is going to actually turn into a play button. Give me 1 second here, and should change. There you go. You see that? Now you're going to click that play button, and you're going to click install. Okay? Let it install. Let it do its magic. And I like this app. Like I said, guys, it's pretty good. Oh, there you go. Download it pretty quick. So what we're going to do is open it from here. And there you go. You see the icon. Give it a second. It's going to launch off. And boom. Now, this is what I like about this app. Okay? You click English. You can actually change it to many different languages here. Okay? I honestly like that. That's pretty cool. But we're going to stay with English. You can change it to Spanish. Go to English. Then you're going to go click next. Now this is awesome. You can change the way it kind of looks. Okay? You choose theme, and to be honest with you, Apollo TV Official, it's just like a light version. Like a lighter look to it. Because if you hit this one here, it actually gets darker. And I actually like this setup. And then you can change the color. So let's change it to, see, this is not red, so I'm going to overlook that. Let's just go with this color here. Okay? So we're going to hit done, and then we can change the layout of how things will look. If we want to be like a card layout or a grid layout. Let's go with the card layout. Okay, we click that, go over, and here this is what's cool. You can connect to your track, and you can connect to this right here if you want. Okay, now personally, you can use the C player, or you can use any of the players that you have installed onto your device. Okay, me, I like using MX Player. Also, I like VLC, so I'm gonna go to VLC and then click over to next. Now this is actually your favorite 3 categories. All right, and at this point, I'm just gonna simply click new HD movies. I'm gonna click let's go to movie top picks, and I'm a big what you call it, Marvel movie guy. So I'm going to go to the Marvel comic movies, and then we're gonna hit go, or let's go, This here you want to allow, okay? And then, I'm sorry if you hear a dog bark in the background. My dog's going bananas from the neighbors, okay? So I apologize for that. But if here you go. You pretty much have this set up here. I like it. It's really cool. It's really smooth. And it's like on the top here you have some movies you could pick. You have that there, the professional and the madman, the professor and the madman. It's pretty good there. I like. It's pretty nice how they have that. Then you have editor's choice. This actually changes because the last time I was testing it, it actually had Game of Thrones and now it has Westworld. Okay, now see how it says new HD, which I would definitely want to watch this movie later. And then you could go through the list here, keep going down, and if you just want to go see all, you could click see all, and then you have this kind of card setup. See, now I see what it means by the card setup. You see how it cuts it off? I really don't like that. So let's see if we're able to change that. So we go to these three dots, go to settings, appearance. Oh yeah, we can. Cool. Go there. Let's go back. And let's go back again. All right. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So let's see all now. There we go. That looks a lot better, guys. So you see how? Oh wow, this also movie I want to see. But these are the ones that are HD. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let's go to top picks. You have there. Marvel comic movies. See all. That's pretty cool. I like this. I like this really. Honestly, I like this a lot. Okay. Let's see here. Go to Spider-Man. Now let's say we like this movie. Obviously, you could click that. I love this movie. And it tells you about it. You can hit the play the trailer. I'm sorry, excuse me. Play trailer. Now you're like, well, okay, that's cool and all, but I want to see about the movie. So here you go. You have play movie. Click that. What I like about this is totally different. And honestly, developers are. If you guys are watching this, you guys should learn from these guys. See how this look or the setup is looking. I like this. And the reason why I like this is because you see how it shows your best categories and all like that. It actually tells you the size of the link. It also gives you the quality. Here goes the size, the quality, and the runtime and all that. Now, see these three lines? You want to click that. You can actually change from the best ping to the quality to the name to the size of the file. Okay, and you could go there, hit done, and it finds from pretty much the pretty best ones they have. So look at that, even got 4K. Look at that. That's pretty badass. So see the ping. So let's see. All you would do from here, you'll click it, you want to allow it, and then it'll play. But honestly, I don't have 4K on this TV, so it probably will not show. So we're going to back out and we're going to pick the 721. Okay. And there we go. Now it's coming up. And if you give it a second, it'll pull it up. Okay. So let me see here. Honestly, the links, they're pretty good. As you see in there, it said some of them say Blu-ray and all that. Honestly, the way it's set up, I like it a lot. It's pretty good. Now, you're asking like, what about TV shows? Trust me, guys, this thing got pretty good on. This thing is pretty good on TV shows. So this is just the homepage. All right, guys, this is just the homepage. All right, you see this here? Here's your TV show section. You have comedy, action, animation, reality, western. You can even write down the Game of Thrones if you want. Okay, and let's go into action. All right, there you go, Game of Thrones, the very first one. So what you could do from here is just click that, and then you scroll down. You have all this here. You go to the newest one. You just want to see that, and then you have your episodes. You choose your episode, and it'll play. And mind you, in your settings, you can change out your player and stuff. Okay, you Give it a second here. It'll load up your links. There you go. And like I said, guys, you can just go up to here and change how you want the link set up, and I'll do it for you. So we're going to back out of there. And obviously, you just click the link, and then it'll play the movie or the TV show or the episode. Okay? So we're back out of there. That's pretty cool. Now you got your movies, and you have all this type here. I like this. This is a really cool and different setup. You know what I mean? You have your horror, your action, drama, family. Go into there. Now, the one thing I did notice, the movie list on it isn't that great. It isn't that massive. But it's just the right size. Honestly, it is. So, and then you go to your heart for the ones that you saved, and then you go. Okay? And you can change, I think there's a setting. Maybe not. All right. Yeah, there you go. All right. Guys, it's a really good app. Guys, got to try it. Hey, it's something different, something new. All right? Showed you guys how to get it. It's super easy. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, enjoyed that video. Please show me love and support. Hit me up with the like button, subscribe, and share. Hit me up on Telegram, Twitter, and Facebook. All those links are down below. And guys, feel free to comment down below how you feel about this app. And also, hit me up on messages and say, hey, have you checked this app out? Or have you reviewed this app? Because honestly, I got a list of apps that I am testing. And some of them, I'm going to be honest with you, some of them are trash. But some of them are good. You know what I mean? And some of them are pretty much, you could say, okay, I'll, give it some time. Because honestly, I'm not going to pump out a video and show you an app that is trash. You know what I mean? I'm not going to waste your time. But hey, that's my opinion. Hope you guys, enjoy my opinion and everything. But anyways, enough talking. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button and subscribe and share my videos. And also check out my website, jojosamazingvideo.com. Hope to hear from you guys. Have a great night.